Hello everyone, Sense.2, welcome to another install tutorial, this time on Datapacks. So, I've got a bunch here that I want to try out, and obviously we'll use a certain launcher to make it easy to access some of the stuff and put it in. So all we want is to obviously just download a few of these and see what they're like. So just go to some here, obviously I'll link these in the description if you want to try them out yourself as well. Where's the other download? Come on. What's going on? It's in one of those states, isn't it? Right, so it's going to do that. Thank you. Cool. And then with this one, I have to go to their website, which is either a good or a bad thing. Okay, it's a good. Okay, so one of those other situations. Projects. I wanted specifically Acid Rain. Thank you very much. Nothing. Of course you're going to do that, aren't you? Not a fan. Not a fan. I can skip it. I can skip it. Anyways, so we've got these in our downloads. And we'll want to take them to our specific launcher, so I'm just going with MultiMC for this. I've already got an instance or profile or something that I want to use these in, so I'm just going to go to my Minecraft folder. You know where yours is located, say with already an existing game set up, because you can already have the game loaded or launched and then add Datapacks in. So I'm just gonna probably actually load this one up for me. If you're using the regular launcher, it'll be perfectly fine. Just launch the specific version you want, perfectly fine. I'm just going to use this just in case, and then you'll want to go to saves. So if you find your .minecraft folder after, say, going through a resource packs sort of method, which I'll show once it's ready, you pretty much just go to saves, and then you go to here, and you go to here, and then you put your Datapacks in. Now, the one thing to keep in mind is that some of them will have a deeper one. This one doesn't have it. That doesn't have it, but it will probably have something like, say, for example, that. The name of the Datapack, and then it'll be like a folder inside it. I'll just demonstrate, so just call it Datapack, and then I'll just go, I guess, Datapack, but zipped. Now let's put Datapack inside there, and then we'll just zip that up to compressed, like so, and you can see there'll be a deeper one in there. That's mostly what I mean. So you may want to extract these by just simply going here and then extract all. You don't need a 7-zip or a WinRAR or something like that, as far as I understand. You can just go extract all. It is still beneficial to have these though, just in case. I'll just get rid of that and that because I don't need it. And we're now at our instance. I did set up that. Yes, I did. Cool. So you want to go to Options, then Resource Packs, and Open Pack Folder. And you get access to that folder, you'll find your .minecraft instance, and you do the saves and everything else that I just demonstrated before. So there's that if you want to know how to get to them. And that's going to do its thing for some reason, because it just does that sometimes with resource packs, I don't know why. If you do want to add these with a new world though, you can go to Datapacks and then simply Open Pack Folder. It does go to like a specific odd location though, so I never usually use it. But if it does show Datapacks as available in some way, you can. They'll be listed on the side after you put them in the folder and then you just push them across. But yeah, there's that method if you want to with new worlds, but if you want to do it with an existing one, you can do it the resource packs way. So I'm just going to go into my instance here. Sorry, world. I'm so used to using that word in the other sense of this, obviously. So yeah, we'll just let it load, and then from there we can see what actually appears, as there is a few other things to cover. So we can see one of them's already loaded correctly, so that's cool. If you want to add new ones, and you put them into the folder, obviously, because when you can't do the new world preparation type of stuff for this part, but if you've got a new world, an existing world, sorry, and you add more into the folder, the way to make sure that it actually loads it correctly is to go /reload as a command if you've got commands available to output. Some might display information there, some might say, hey, this one's already loaded or something, for example. In this case, it's just displaying a bunch of information because that's what it's supposed to do. So yeah, some will tell you, some won't. Like in the case of the pig step one, it's not telling me anything, so I don't know, and I just have to find out based on recipes. So if I just go with, say, some golden nuggets here, and I'm trying to remember what the recipe was it like a few pork chops and netherrack as well. Yes, I know. Let me get out of the tutorials, thanks. Let's see, netherrack, and only one pork chop. Then I want a crafting table. So here, oops, here, and here, and they happen to work. So cool, we can now craft pig step. You're not usually gonna see recipes via whatever recipe type of mod, JEI, REI, whichever. So do keep that in mind, that sometimes you won't be able to view these recipes, but if you do know them and have them memorized, you shouldn't have a problem. But with some, you can easily see it, so there's that. I guess there's ones that are in like special tables, it probably doesn't, but yeah. I don't know why I was thinking cable there when using the command. But yeah, so now we've got our armor stats one, which is going to tell us that. If I just put on some diamond armor, for example, it'll probably update. Yep. I don't know if there's a way to get rid of the chat background. I forget if that's a thing. Colors. Let's just do that though. Chat shown command only. Hidden. That's not gonna work. I don't think there's a way to remove the chat boxes there. Is it just text size? Text opacity. There we go. Cool. So we can have that if we want. So yeah, we can have our stats displayed, and we can create pig step whenever we want. So yeah. I don't know about death though, I don't know what that means. Is that like a death counter? It's a death counter. Okay, cool. But yeah, that's pretty much how you install Datapacks. You just simply download them from wherever. Presumably something like Planet Minecraft or Curse Forge or something. You put it in through the folder or via the New World means. And then from there, you're good to go, and then just /reload. I did forget one detail though, is to let you know that if they're correctly loaded, besides just the /reload command, you can use the /datapack command, which is very, very useful. Some mods will appear in as well, so if you have mods installed like I do, you'll see them, as you already saw in the creating new world sort of Datapacks side panel thing. So we'll just go to here, you can see under Datapack list. It doesn't want to show me for some reason with that Datapack installed. I'm gonna have to remove that, I think. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. Just get rid of that. So we'll reload that world. I could have just disabled it, which probably should have just done, but show it as a demonstration here. Pretty much. So just /datapack. I want to show it correctly. There we go. So you can see we've got 5 Datapacks installed. Vanilla is its own. We've got a few mods installed, and then we've got the pig step one. If we want to remove one, we can simply go to /datapack disable. I can select a specific one if I want to do mods or otherwise. I don't know how well mods as Datapacks sort of works for disabling, but I know that disabling, say, the pig step one will be perfectly fine. We get our resources back and attempt to craft it. Obviously, it's not going to work because it is now completely disabled. Let's get some pork chops there. Now I get a crafting table. So this, and then the recipe is not working for us because it's not disabled anymore. It's not available anymore. Cool. If we want to re-enable it, because we really want to use it, again, then we can go /enable, and then we can even view the recipe, I guess. So there's that, we got that. If we disable it, can we see the recipe? I've never actually tested that. No, you can't, obviously, because it doesn't exist anymore. So, yeah, so enable, disable, however you want, and you can view a list if you want to see what correctly loaded. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching, and goodbye.